Okay, this is my exam 2 notebook check video. Table of contents, table of contents, another table of contents, same here. And this is the current table of contents that I am working on. And I have this page and this page left for table of contents. And then here's my Earth Sciences title page, or cover page, I guess. And then here's my Shape of the Earth foldable. It's got a picture inside and some information. These are some notes. Then Earth's layers foldable. Each layer has information on the back of it whenever you lift it up. Information. And I have some more notes. This is the Earth's plate tectonics diagram, and then whenever you fold it up, my plate tectonics notes behind it. Then we have our plate tectonics puzzle, and I have this as like a cover page, and then we fold it back. It's the back of the worksheet that has information on it. And then whenever you open up that worksheet, it's the diagram of Pangea that we glued together. And we have notes. This is the one that moves back and forth. This one also moves up and down. Another one of those that move back and forth with notes behind it. I don't know if you can see. Same here. Moves back and forth, notes behind it. Some more notes. And this is my minerals foldable. You fold it up and it's got some information on it. This is my 3 rock tops foldable. It's got the names of them right here on the bottom of the tab, and then whenever you lift it up, it's got information, the picture, and then lift it up, information, the picture, information, the picture, okay. So, and then some more notes, and then this is my rock cycle foldable. We'll just do it in this video. You open it up, it's got the whole cycle in there. There's some information in each of the corners just about the rock cycle, and then I have the different types of rocks in different color paper glued on here so that is really emphasized. And then we have a blank sheet of paper that I can do like another foldable on if I needed to. This is the folds foldable, and you open it up, it's got some information and then the names. And whenever you open it up, it's got their pictures and some more information. And then you got more notes. Same thing. Then we have the faults foldable, and I've added some information at the bottom of it. And then you open it up, and there's your first 2 faults with information beside them. And then you have your next 2 faults with information beside them as well. Notes. This is the tops of volcano stages foldable. You lift each of them up, they each have information behind them, colored. Plutonic features of a volcano, they're all labeled. Information's on the back whenever you lift it over. Tops of volcanoes, got their picture underneath with the name on the front. The pictures are labeled. This is my foldable I made for my presentation, so I just added it in my notebook already. More notes. This is the ocean currents diagram, and it's colored, and then whenever you open it up, it's got information behind it. Here's notes. Stages of stream development. It's kind of faint, so you can't really see it. That pen's very light. And then you got the pictures on the inside, and then their names beside them. And then when we fold back the individual tabs, it's got information on each of those. So that's the stages of stream development. Then this is my extra credit foldable. I did permeability versus porosity, and then you fold them up, and they have information on the back of those. So that's my extra credit one that I did. My notes. And then here is the hydraulic cycle. They each have information behind them. So, and it's colored, so. And then here's the type of weathering Venn diagram. They each open up, fold up, have information behind them. We got some more notes. Erosion mass movement foldable, the little 4 thing. It's got information behind it, to the side of it. That does have information, it's very faint. More information. So it's that. And we have more notes. And here's like the little game that we had where we had the pictures of the rivers and you had to match the definition or the situation on these to this, and it's got information on top of each of these folds. And there we go in there. This is just another blank page where I can add a foldable if I need to. Notes, notes, notes. Earthquake seismograph foldable. It is colored like each of the different layers. It's got information behind it, information behind it, information, and information. So that is the earthquake seismograph. This is another blank page. Notes. And then this is the air masses and weather fronts. It's kind of faint. I don't know if you can see it. But whenever you open it up, it's got each of them and then some information. And then whenever you open up each of the tabs, it's got what the weather front looks like, and then some information on the back. Notes, cloud tops foldable, information, 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 more notes. This is another blank page if I had to add a foldable. This is the 5 forms of precipitation, and there is information behind it. It's very faint, so I used a light colored pen. It's on there. Notes. Notes. And then here is the polar zone, tropical zone, and temperate zone. Foldable, it's colored. And then whenever you open it up, it's got information. And I color coded the information to match the colors on the front. And then here is the latitude and longitude foldables. Fold those, got information and their pictures. Then climate and weather foldables, the little scribe things. Information on the back, information on the back. And then we have more notes. And then here is the Earth's atmosphere foldable. Each of the layers lift up and they have information about them. And the last layer. So information. More notes. And that is it.